Service Core 12 supports the importing of data and will be importing from a CSV file for this demonstration. Such data can include configuration items, CI relationships, contacts, solutions, tickets, as well as user accounts. Tickets can mean anything from incident, service request, change, and problem tickets. I will show you importing knowledge base articles or solutions. The same process can be followed for importing any of the other data types I mentioned earlier. On the main administration page, under System Management, you will see the Import link. Once I click on that, the Task Scheduler opens, and I'm able to define what type of new task I am running. So I select New Task, Import Task, and select Solutions. As you can see, all the other types of data imports I can do are listed here as well. Ensure that you select the right data item types so that the imported data goes into the appropriate container. Now that I'm in the source configuration, I need to tell Service Core where to get the file that I'm importing. My options here are local directory, BMC FootPrints server, or web. We're going to be doing a local directory import today and cover FootPrint server and web at a later recording. Once I select my file location, I'm going to click on Browse, select the file that contains my CSV, and click Open. Now that the CSV has been successfully located by Service Core, I'm able to select OK and go to the Data Destination tab on the left-hand menu. This helps me ensure that I'm importing into the correct knowledge base. If I have more than one knowledge base, it would show up here. I select my knowledge base and then which knowledge item I have. I only have then one knowledge article, so I select that, and am now able to continue here to map my fields. In the Map Fields menu item, I can enter in a user that should be attached to this imported data if it's somebody other than me. I will select that my data file has a header row, and now, selecting the appropriate import file fields, I'm able to map those to the appropriate solution fields. For each of the appropriate fields I want to import, I just select them and its match. Note that each of the required fields that I'm mapping into are in red and also have an asterisk by them. If I know that I'm going to use this particular field mapping again for other imports, I can click on Save New Mapping, and this will be available for me at a later use. Once I've defined all the appropriate import file fields, I can click on Schedule Task. Completed import tasks now will show up in your task scheduler with the appropriate job status at the end of them. And now I'll be able to see those newly imported knowledge base articles in my knowledge base. Thank you for your time today, and please feel free to leave us your feedback or questions on the communities page.